Hello everyone. Saffron, the golden-hued spice, has been coveted for centuries for its unique flavor, aroma, and vibrant color. This luxurious ingredient has been a staple in various cuisines, from traditional Middle Eastern and Mediterranean dishes to modern fusion cooking. Beyond its culinary applications, saffron has played a significant role in history, culture, and even medicine. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of saffron, exploring its origins, production, uses, and benefits. Saffron is derived from the dried stigmas of the crocus sativus flower, which is native to the Mediterranean region. The earliest recorded use of saffron dates back to ancient Mesopotamia. Around 2300 BCE, the spice was highly valued for its vibrant color and was used as a natural dye, flavoring, and even as a form of currency. Saffron production is a labor-intensive process, with approximately 75,000 flowers required to produce just 1 pound of saffron. The flowers are carefully hand-picked early in the morning, and the stigmas are then extracted and dried to preserve their flavor and color. The main producers of saffron are Iran, Spain, India, Greece, and Morocco, with Iran being the largest producer and exporter. Saffron is a versatile ingredient, adding depth and warmth to various dishes. It is commonly used in traditional recipes such as paella, bouillabaisse, and risotto. The spice is also used to flavor baked goods, desserts, and even cocktails. Saffron's unique flavor profile is often described as earthy, slightly sweet, and umami. Saffron has been prized for its medicinal properties, including its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. The spice contains crocin, a compound that has been shown to reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Saffron has also been used to treat various ailments, including digestive issues and menstrual cramps. Saffron has played a significant role in many cultures throughout history. In ancient Egypt, the spice was used to dye the robes of pharaohs and other high-ranking officials. In modern-day Iran, saffron is a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. The spice is also used in traditional wedding ceremonies and other celebrations. The price of saffron can fluctuate depending on the quality, origin, and availability. High-quality saffron can cost up to $15 per gram, while lower-quality saffron can cost around $5 per gram. The quality of saffron is determined by its color, flavor, and aroma, with the best saffron having a deep red-orange hue and a strong, earthy aroma. Saffron, the golden spice, is a true treasure of the culinary world. Its unique flavor, aroma, and vibrant color have captivated cooks and food enthusiasts for centuries. Beyond its culinary applications, saffron has played a significant role in history, culture, and medicine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious foodie, saffron is sure to inspire and delight. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.